our forefathers, particularly Dr. Ambedkar, concentrated to have check over three independent system of democracy: the judiciary, the executive, and legislation. The power of legislation vested with the duly elected public representative. Unfortunately, instead of there may be a little bit control bar between legislative members as well the executive, both mingling together, always try to mint money in all areas, particularly in recruitment, to overcome the reservation policies and the constitutional fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 14, 15 and 16 for equal protection of land, equality before law. This is what happening from time to time from the top brass level to grassroots level, even at rural areas. And particularly in rural areas, when they have community background domination, and the executive authority is being pressurized to bend with the wishes of the mathematical democratic elected legislative office bearers. See, this is the judgment. I would like to hear this judgment overcome other judgment. Earlier, what had happened, the courts used to simply reject the contention of the unsuccessful candidate who approached the court, claiming that initially there was no criteria of selection and subsequently they have altered. Then the judges would jump on the counsel as well as the petitioner, stating that no, you have participated subsequent amended criterion procedure also, therefore you are not entitled. You are stopped from challenging that. This was the ratio earlier being followed, and the judges also normally follows because they are bound by the authorities declared under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. But in this case, the Supreme Court has said no, still you have got right. You are not stopped from challenging the subsequent criteria. This is the most important case. I will start with the facts of the case. Official respondents. Before that, I must state the cause title. The AR 2020 Supreme Court 3407, Nitesh Kumar Pandey versus State of Madhya Pradesh. So, the respondent authorities invite for applications for appointment to the post of Gram Rozgar Sahayak, a minor post, which is under the scheme of MGNREG, Gram Rozgar Sahayak, that Mahatma Gandhi some scheme, that scheme. That was first guidelines was dated 2/6/2012. Then the guidelines provide for qualification, which are qualified as a compulsory qualification and a desired qualification. So the compulsory qualification is beside to basic education qualification, and desired qualification it referred to computer exam pass. So that was there. Then subsequently they have issued another 17/6/2014. They say that this certificate should be before 20th June 2014. That computer exam certificate. This is unfortunate. Then, therefore, the earlier merit list was revised and new persons were appointed. You must understand and for what and by what means they have appointed. Then that was challenged before the Supreme Court. So a single judge has set aside that and directed to allow them to for computer efficiency test. Then the division bench also confirmed then the Supreme Court, after discussing Prakash Tiwari versus Saguntala Shukla, AR 2002 SC 2322. Kindly go through the judgment also. It may help you if you are helping the opposite persons who faces something else. You have to go through the judgment. Then they subsequently, when a candidate appears without objection and subsequently found to be not successful, challenge the process precluded. That was they say. Then Union of India versus Vinod Kumar, AR 2008 SC. Then Munindra Kumar versus Rajiv Goyal, AR 1991 SC 1607. Lakshmi Mishra versus MP Public Service Commission, 2006 SC 306. Then Subhash Chandra and another Delhi Subordinate Service, AR 2010, AR SCW 16. All these things, after discussing that, they have, this is the, this earlier, they say abrogate and they say doctrine of abrogate and reprobate. That means once accepting, the other side objection. That doctrine is applicable in those cases, they say. But here, candidate already in selection list who had appeared in the computer efficiency on the date depicted in the revised time schedule cannot be considered to have appeared after having knowledge that same will not also be part of assessment for selection, cannot be put on the same pedestal. This was they held. Therefore, this revised date is not correct. Then they say, hence in this instance it cannot be considered as typical case of approbate and reprobate. So there you have to understand this. They say the Ashok Kumar versus State of Bihar will not be any assistance. And finally they have confirmed with the Supreme High Court single judge as well as division bench judgment. See, this is what, how under these circumstances the court should discuss about the decency and decorum and legitimate expectance from the duly elected office bearer and the executive authorities who are circumvent and bending before the legislative political leaders to deprive the legitimate right of the innocent people, that too from remote villages, and at least they should be punished if this grave injustice are being caused to deprive the persons, which is a sorry state of affairs, that something should be done. This should be brought under Prevention of Corruption Act provisions, and they should be prosecuted also for having denied the candidate who is eligible for by only simply using their authority and misusing the power by without showing disappearance to the existing law, rules, regulations, and their power. So this is where this should be checked and curtailed. Then tomorrow Deepavali, I would like to convey my best wishes to all my colleagues all over India and foreign countries, and my relatives in all over India and foreign countries. Happy Deepavali. Happy in North India, the accounts dates are being commenced from Deepavali only. For that, I wish them to get over all setback would have resulted due to the pandemic situations, and come over and be strengthened to shoulder this nation's improvement along with the present leaders who are paying concentration only for the nation's financial improvement and their empowerment and mighty power to the universe, rather than the political leaders concentrating on their legal affairs, to bring to their throat. Best wishes